Hello, I am Pankaj Saran and I am going to take class MS Excel of class 7. In last turn, we have learned about a database form. What is form? Form provides an area for entering the records. Through it, not only the data entered, record entered, it also facilitates to enter the condition for the checking, and after uh, confirmation records can be removed. So form is the process through which new record can be added, they can be viewed, they can be deleted, and a condition can be applied on them. Now next topic is sorting. What is the meaning of sorting? Sorting is sorting is sorting is rearrangement of sorting is arrangement of data in particular order, ascending order or descending order. Sorting is arrangement of data. Suppose it is a database. What is the record? Say RAM 1 RTY. Combination of this entire row. This entire row is represent the record of RAM, and it is made up of name, roll number, F name, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social Science, Computer Science, total and percentage. So these are fields, and the entire row, second row is record, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row are record, and this ABC are represent the column. Now I have applied some record and applied formula in it. First there entered marks, and formula is I applied the formula auto sum E2 from E2 to J2 for finding the sum, and for finding percentage I applied the formula average, applied the formula average on E2 to J2. So here total and percentage is calculated, and from the cell pointer it can be dragged to the bottom, which copied the formula to the next row. Now we have to next topic is sorting. Now sorting, for the application of sorting, first we have to select the database. It is a database. Then there is a sorting option on the home tab, also on the data tab. Sort option is available on data tab and home tab. From from any of them we can select the sort option. There are three types of sortings. Number one is A to Z, Z to A, and custom sort. There are three types of sorting: A to Z, Z to A, and custom sort. A to Z means ascending order. A to Z means ascending order. Z to A means descending order. And the properties of A to Z and Z to A, it works on the first field. So here first field is name. So when we select the A to Z or Z to A, it will sort the record according to the first field, means according to the name. And custom sort, what is the meaning of custom? Custom sort means we can apply the sorting application on any field. We can sort the database on according to particular field or desired field, but A to Z and Z to A work on the first field. Now here database, first field is RAM, first field is name, where records are arranged in random order. When we select the A to Z, now we can see that first record is Meena, then Mohan, Ram, Shyam, Sohan, and Tina. It is arranged in ascending order. Now if we select the descending order Z to A, then it is Tina, Sohan, Shyam, Ram, Mohan, and Meena. So when we select the A to Z or Z to A, property of A to Z or Z to A works on the first field, but when we want to perform the sorting on desired field, we have to select custom sort. We have to select custom sort. Now select the custom sort. Here three dot, what three dot is represented as, these three dots are known as ellipses. And now what is the meaning of these ellipses? That system requires some more information from the user. Now when you click on custom sort, a dialog box appear where you can say, you can give the desired field and desired format. Now you can select the field sort by, there are all fields are there, sort on values, and there is a order, ascending order or descending order. In which order you want to arrange the records, we can select. Now I select the field father's name and select the A to Z. Now record will arrange according to the father's name, and what is the order? Ascending order. A to Z means ascending order. Now record will arrange in ascending order according to the father's name. ABC first and WSX is the last. Clear? Now custom sort applied on desired field, whereas A to Z and Z to A work on the only first field. So you can set according to your choice. Suppose I want to arrange the highest percentage to the lowest percentage. So I select the percentage field, sort on values, and we have to select smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I want the largest value first, then you have to select the largest to smallest. Now it will give the order in descending order. Now first highest percentage is Mohan, next 83.5 Ram and Tina, and then 79, then 74, then 71. So we can select any field for the sorting. It can be achieved using custom sort, but A to Z and Z to A work on the first field. They work on the first field, and custom sort work on the desired field. On which field you want to work, it can work on desired field and sort or arrange the database according to your choice. Okay, next topic is filtering. What is the meaning of filtering? Filtering means, next topic is filtering. What is meaning of filtering? Filtering means extraction of some data according to condition. When we want to extract some data according to the condition, when we want to show the data according to the condition, then it is known as filtering. Means to find some value or some record from the available records according to the desire is known as filtering. So we can extract records or data from the database to filter according to the choice. There are two types of filtering. Number one is auto filter. And second is advanced filter. There are two types of filtering: auto filtering and advanced filtering. In auto filtering, a drop down box is appeared, and from where we can arrange the data according to the requirement. In advance, it can be achieved through criteria range at separate place. Now first see the auto filter. Select the database. Now click on the home, sort and filter. I am repeating that sort and filter is available on home tab as well as data tab. It is available on home tab and data tab. From any of place you can select the sort or filter. Now click here, select database and click on the sort and filter. Here is a filter. If only filter is there, then it is auto filter. When I clicked on that filter, a drop down box is appeared. With every field, it indicates that we can apply the condition here. Now suppose I want to show those record. Here given all records, select record, particular record. Suppose I want to see the record of 78. Okay, so it shows the record of those students acquiring the marks 78 in Hindi. Now you see that when the field is filtered, a keep symbol is here, which indicates that on this field filtering is performed. You can perform filtering in multiple fields simultaneously. Suppose it is filtering is applied. Now we can apply another condition on other field. Suppose I select this. So it shows the record of those students having a mark 78 in Hindi and 89 in Maths. To Hindi and Maths there is a symbol of keep. So it indicates that Hindi and Maths, there are two fields on which filtering condition is applied. So now if you want to clear the filtration, select the clear. When you select the clear, it will clear all the filtering applied on the database. So it is a auto filter. If you want to remove the filtering option, then click on here, click on filter. It will remove the drop down button, and your database becomes as a normal. If you can now I am repeating, for filtration of data, you have to select the filter. It is auto filter. A drop down list is available, and from where we can select the number, or we can apply the condition here. As suppose I want to show those record having marks greater than 80. So there is a format numbers filter. Then there are number of conditions here: equal, does not equal to, greater than equal to. Suppose I want greater than or equal to, and suppose I want to show those record having marks greater than equal to 89. So it shows the record, only one record ROM having the record Maths, having the value Maths 89 in Maths. No other student have values 89. So here is number filter. You can apply the condition instead of the exact value. Here if you want to perform the exact value, we can select the exact value, or we can perform the condition which can be achieved through the number filters, where different conditions are there. By selecting them, any of them, and apply the condition and show the record according to the desire. Clear? And for the clearation of data, select the clear option from the sort and filter. It will remove all the filtering, and for the clearing of filtering, click on the filter. It will clear the filter. Next time I will continue the topic filter of type advanced filter. Thank you.